Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making honey walnut shrimp. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/2 teaspoon of canola oil, and 3 tablespoons of water. For the walnuts, you'll need 1/2 cup of walnuts, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. For the sauce, you'll need 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Using medium-low heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Add the walnuts and cook them for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, remove the walnuts from the pan and set them aside. To the same pan, add 1/2 cup of water and your brown sugar, then mix until your sugar has dissolved. Return your walnuts to the pan, then continue to cook until the syrup has thickened. Remove the walnuts from the pan, then place them on parchment paper. To a small bowl, combine the lemon juice, honey, mayo, and condensed milk, then mix until well combined. To make the batter, in a large bowl, add the egg, canola oil, and water, then whisk until well combined. Now add the cornstarch, garlic salt, and baking soda, then mix until well combined. Now add your shrimp to the batter, then mix until well coated. Add your oil to your wok, then bring to a temperature of 350 degrees. Now fry the shrimp for 2 minutes in small batches. Increase your temperature to 375 degrees, then return all of the shrimp to the pan and allow it to cook for 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, remove your shrimp from the pan, then place them on paper towels to remove the excess oil. Place your shrimp in a large bowl, then generously coat with your sauce. Now plate with your walnuts and it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps making